Hi, and welcome to the 7th development log about my game Skyrift. So in the last devlog, about 2 weeks ago, I made this small to-do list and I actually got a lot of things of this to-do list done. For example, the first 2 points, audio and an options menu. Apart from the clipping issues, I pretty much finished all sound effects and added them to the game. The soundtrack is also mixed and mastered and implemented into the game. Before I show you those things, I'd like to show you a few other small things though. First of all, I improved the tutorial to make it more understandable. I added videos to show how each action is done, and these were recorded in-game, and then I added this TV effect in black and white post-processing in an editing software. Another addition to the tutorial is this new end sequence, and I thought it was a bit boring to just end the tutorial without anything happening, so now you have to destroy the spaceship, and that will result in a small sequence showing the exploding ship. And I think it looks a lot more rewarding than just a simple message saying that you did it. Alright, so let's get to the options menu. The only thing missing here are the music and sound volume sliders, and I will add those as soon as I fix all those audio issues. So there are 3 main panels on the options menu: the controls panel, the video panel and the audio panel. In the control settings, you can choose from 3 different control types. You can either play the game with your keyboard and mouse, with just your keyboard, so you look around by pressing the arrow keys and not moving the mouse, or you can play it just with the mouse. And for each playstyle, every button can be reassigned, and also of course you can change the mouse sensitivity or invert the mouse axis if you'd like to do so. Okay, so let's get to the video panel. Here you can choose between windowed and full screen mode, and also use one of 3 quality presets, and they just toggle expensive settings like volumetric fog or different lighting presets. Also, you can reduce the particle amount to get better performance on older devices. The last tab in the options menu is the audio tab, and here you will be able to control the music and audio volume. Okay, so let's get to all those sound effects and music I've added to the game. You have to keep in mind that the audio still needs a lot of work and a lot of mixing to sound right, so this is just me throwing in all the sounds for starters. So, this is the main menu with sound. I used a very calm and sad main theme, since the in-game music is very high energy and it's good to give your ears a break in between. Also, the melancholic chords represent this apocalyptic setting where you are the last standing robot. Okay, so let's go in-game, and I'll just leave you with a bit of gameplay so you can hear the new sounds. Also listen to the soundtrack in the background, because it evolves the more ships are around you, and it plays an own theme just for the mothership. Okay, so that was everything I managed to add in the last 2 weeks. Thank you for watching this devlog, and if you want to follow the progress of Skyrift, you can subscribe to this channel or follow me on Twitter. All the links are down in the description, and I upload these devlogs every 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.